If you struggle to get consistent espresso or coffee, especially from one of these kettle style pots, this makes life a lot easier. This is a travel camping stove cooktop with an induction heating element that we got sent to review for you all. I really like this thing. It's going to make life a lot easier when we're on the go, when we're on vacation, traveling anywhere, camping. You use it out on the boat. You could use it wherever you need to. It runs off a 110 or a 120 power, but with the induction heating element, it'll work off of a portable power station. So you can kind of use it wherever you need to. If you have like either a generator or a small battery inverter, like a power unit, this will work great. It's made for compact, mostly for coffee, either a compact kettle or small pots and pans with a diameter of under 6 inches. They fit on there perfectly. It's got touch buttons on the front. You got to long press it to turn it on so you don't turn it on accident. It's got 9 different heat settings on it, so you can adjust the type of heat that you're getting from it. It has just a warm mode, so you can keep it warm. Just keep it at a regular warm temperature without keeping the heat on or worrying about overheating if you just want to keep a pot of coffee warm. That's my timer going off for the warm mode. Not sure what I did there. Oh, cord was coming out the back, which leads me to, it has a detachable cord, so you can unplug it. It packs away really neatly. It's easy to travel with, easy to throw in your box with all your other traveling, outdoor, camping equipment. Let's turn this up to high. Open that up so we can see that in action. Try not to let that cord come out again. Let that sit. It has multiple heat settings, so you can adjust the temperature and have more control, precise controls. That way you get better extraction on your coffee. You can heat things more evenly, especially with the induction cooktop. There's no hot spots on it. It's going to heat the whole surface of the bottom of your pan or pot super evenly, which is great. It has thermo protection on the outside and a heat resistant outer layer, so cooking with it many times over months or years, it's not going to degrade the quality of the external material, and the heating element's going to last you as long as you need to use it. Built-in keep warm mode, like I said, keep your coffee good at a good temperature so you can keep enjoying it without it overheating or tasting burnt. The actual cook plate is made of a cast aluminum, which heats up faster and more evenly than more traditional options, and it's going to just stand the test of time. So it gives you more control of the heat and it's more durable, which is great. Like I showed you before, it takes a long press to turn it on, so you can't accidentally turn it on or bump into it and just have it start heating up where someone could burn themselves on it without you knowing that it's turned on. Every time you touch one of the buttons or hit one of the options, it beeps, so that way you're actually pressing something, which is great. The actual cook plate itself is 4.7 inches, so it's rated for any pot or pan or kettle or coffee maker that's less than 6 inches. That's how big the outside diameter is. So you can keep it, you can use it for pretty much anything that'll fit on that cooking surface. You can also use it for little DIY projects, like if you wanted to melt wax for candles or genuinely anything else that you need to heat up while you're on the go or whatever you're doing. This is a great option for that without having to fire up your stove or have some type of a propane or a gas element to it. For being electric, this is a really great option. It's lightweight with a detachable cord, making it super easy to store and take with you when you're on the go. Great for coffee, tea, melting chocolate for like a fondue, or little DIY projects, like I said, melting wax or stuff like that for your little projects. This is a good option. You can keep it, you can use it outdoors, you can use it indoors. It's safe either way. Like I said, it can run off a portable power station. It doesn't suck that much power to create this much heat, which is always a plus, especially when you're not around somewhere where you can just plug into a wall outlet and the power is just flowing. If you're running off a battery or a generator, you always want to be able to get maximum output out of whatever it is that you're using. And I'm gonna make some delicious coffee here as soon as this thing gets hot. All right, so the coffee's starting. We got a good boil going down there. Plenty of heat coming off this little stove. Just gonna shut this down. I guess I don't need to yet, but it'll keep the heat in if I do. Plenty of heat. It's got plenty of heat. It's working good. So far so good. We're about to have some really, really solid espresso here in just a moment. That's where the splatter starts to happen. So if you want more control over small batch heating, especially for coffee or teas, things like that, this is a great option. And if it's something that you could use, you can click the button down below this video and pick one up in our Amazon storefront.